This is a video demonstration of Alango's Short-Range Sound Modem, or simply SRSM technology. SRSM allows transferring digital data to a device via a narrow voice acoustic channel with the data rate about 1.5 kilobit per second. For this demonstration, I'm using my smartphone as the transmit device and an ST Discover board as the receive decode device. My smartphone has been configured with some pre-installed phrases for demo purposes. When one of these phrases is selected, the phrase is converted digitally. The modulated data is transmitted via the speaker utilizing a narrowband voice channel. In fact, you'll notice that you can actually hear this modulated signal when I soft-touched one of the pre-installed phrases. I'll proceed now to select a few phrases. Again, the modulated phrase will be transmitted from the smartphone speaker and then picked up by the ST Discovery Board microphone, where it will be decoded at less than 2 MHz processing load and then displayed. As you can see, the phrase is displayed on the Discovery Board screen. Again, notice the phrase on the screen. And the last one, don't worry, be happy. Thanks for watching this demo of Alango's short-range sound modem technology. SRSM technology has been developed to help customers using Alango voice processing libraries during the acoustic tuning process. SRSM allows updating processing parameters inside a voice communication device with no additional hardware means. It is integrated into our voice communication and other software packages, but also available as a standalone technology. SRSM requires very small data memory and only about 2 MHz on ARM Cortex M4. Thanks for watching. As always, we look forward to hearing from you.